Yo, what is up mga brother? Ngayong araw po na to is a big announcement for my YouTube channel. Today is the day where I will start a new journey sa YouTube channel ko. Kasama po kayo sa journey na to. The Lord has been speaking to me about it and I've been guilty of it. Kasi nung nagsimula ako sa YouTube channel ko, is yung purpose ko talaga is to really encourage other believers. But through time to time, parang nag-iba yung timpla kasi parang medyo I tried to find another niche. Parang interesting sa akin. Pero hindi ko na malayan na napalayo na pala ako sa pinapagawa ng Panginoon. So, today is the day na I will start this journey with you. And my goal is to encourage you and I also wanna be encouraged by you. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, then please do like and subscribe. Inanyayahan ko po kayo na maging part sa journey na to. Kasi, social media is very important. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Lahat ng mga social media platforms, they're very important sa pag-spread ng gospel, sa pag-encourage ng mga believers, at sa pag-create ng mga content na may meaning at may purpose. But we as believers, we should be the light of this world. Kasi sabi ng Lord na we are the light of this world. So we need to really let our light shine, not just in the outside world, but also in the social media world, in the digital world. Now, ang point ko po is, we are in a digital age right now. We are in social media. Outside social media, we also preach the gospel. We also reach out to people. Social media is very important. Why? Because the devil is also using social media. And I think as Christians, as believers, we should also know the importance of using social media as our platform. And as we are allowing our light to shine in the world, we should also be the light in social media. Because you know why? Social media needs people like you and me to spread the love, to spread the good news. A lot of content creators right now, they are allowing themselves to be used by the enemy. Some of them are focusing on sexuality, on substance abuse like drugs. May nakikita nga ako na nagla-live na nagmamariwana. When I saw those things, I said to myself, kung itong mga taong to na hindi mga believers, nagpapagamit sila sa kaaway, gumagawa sila ng content na makakasira sa mga viewers or makakaengganyo sa mga viewers na magda-drugs din kasi parang ninonormalize na nila yung kasalanan or yung drugs. I was a drug addict before, but because of the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ, ako po ngayon ay clean na. And that's because of His grace kasi He transformed me, He changed me. And so going back, alam mo ba na ikaw as a believer, ikaw as a Christian, ikaw yung mas meron dapat na drive na gumagawa ng content. What content? Content na makaka-encourage, content na makaka-uplift ng ibang tao. Like if you wanna create a content that would fight depression or expose corruption or something that is really biblical. As believers, we need to stand up. As believers, we need to really be bold, be courageous, and having this purpose as believers, we should be the light, not just in the outside world, but also in the digital world. It is very important for us to be everywhere. It is very important for us not just to be in one place, but to be everywhere. We need to reach out all nations. We need to reach out all people. And that includes social media. You should be in TikTok, you should be in Instagram, you should be in Facebook, you should be in YouTube, in Twitter, in all platform. We should be everywhere to be the light. Because I'm guilty of this. Pinalawang myself for a while to, just use social media for nothing. Like gumagawa ako ng mga content na nakakatawa. I got rebuked by the Lord. And so, today is the start of a new journey. Itabayan niyo po ako. And let's do this journey together. Be the light in the social media world. God bless po. See you on my next video.